एशिया सोसाइटी में भारतीय सीईओज ने तर्क दिया कि मौजूद आर्थिक संकट भारत और अमेरिका के बीच आर्थिक सहयोग को और ज्यादा जरूरी बना देता है।
Partnership that we have between the two countries is strategic, is important, and to my mind also very well understood. If you combine these two nations, the two largest democracies of the world, I think it makes it into a powerhouse which has in itself enough potential to resolve some of the very difficult situations that the world is facing today.
कुछ सीईओज ने अमेरिका के लोगों को समझाने की कोशिश की कि भारत में अभी अर्थव्यवस्था बढ़ रही है और अमेरिका के लिए भारत में पूंजी निवेश करना फायदे का सौदा होगा।
At this point of time, U.S. technological strength to a large extent is supplemented by Indian skilled resources and of course Asian skilled resources. So what we see as an imperative for future technology partnerships is that U.S. continues to invest in India and in building those sectors which will contribute and supplement the needs that U.S. has in retaining its technological supremacy.
H-1B वीजा पर रोक लगाने से निराश कई सीईओज ने कहा कि इससे समस्या का समाधान नहीं होगा।
It's very clear that U.S. is the apostle of open markets and professes globalization. U.S. should not stop the H-1B visa program, which is very important for India. And India would like to participate in the economic recovery of the U.S. And two-way trade, two-way investments, and two-way movement of people is extremely important.
भारत में अमेरिका के राजदूत रह चुके फ्रैंक विजनर ने भारतीय सीईओज को सुनने के बाद कहा कि वो भविष्य के प्रति आशावान हैं।
They made the very strong point that India is, despite the downturn in the global economy, her economy is performing well and will continue to. That the new government in India that follows the elections, whoever heads it, is going to be condemned to be a reform government. And that India will continue to register serious growth, that the United States will be India's key economic partner, and that we have to be, as Americans, ready to make the necessary sacrifices, including resisting the temptation of protectionism. And I think our friends from India also got a good message of the intention of American business to work closely with India and indeed to work against protectionism. But these are troubling economic times, and it was good to have a message of optimism from India.
इस चर्चा से एक बात साफ उभर कर निकली है कि आर्थिक संकट के इस मुश्किल के दौर में अमेरिका को भारत का साथ देना चाहिए और तो और अमेरिका को भारत में डॉलर का निवेश भी करना चाहिए। शनाली सेन, वॉइस ऑफ अमेरिका, न्यूयॉर्क।